Hello. Welcome back to the Jank Bike Workshop. Today I have with me a seat that has a tear along a seam here. This was free at the bicycle shop and I thought it a little too good to pass up because I'm always needing seats for projects. Sometimes I can fix a seat either by using a form of caulking, glue, or even Flex Seal. But with just a seam that needs closed, then if you are actually anal enough to fix a seat rather than buy a new one, or if you're somebody like me who clamors to get free used parts, then this might be for you. Black thread from my local supply store. This is actually really tough thread. It was only 99 cents a spool. This little sewing kit that I have here, I've had it since, I don't know, since high school. Most people don't think to own a sewing kit. I mean, this is just a little pen case with some needles, thread, and scissors in it. But once you have it, you realize that in the rare times that which you need it, you really need it. I mean, I've had to fix a rip in my pants several times, sometimes even on the fly in a time crunch, just because I had the option to do so since this stuff was on hand. You don't get that option if you don't have it. Sewing this sort of thing is very simple. A lot of times though, if you have a curved needle, use a curved needle. Unfortunately, my small one disappeared maliciously. Okay, there we go. We got a nice little knot on the base of that. And then once you start sewing, always make sure that the knot is located somewhere on the inside. And once it's inside, it's not going to be noticed. There we go. It's completely under the skin now. And there we go. The seat is all sewn up. Is it perfect? No. Is it pretty? Not really. Is it going to be just fine to plant your butt on? You betcha. I'm going to put some extra glue on the bottom where the staples go, just to be sure everything holds together. Alright, that's it for that.